I don't have the time to hear you whine about a broken heart. She's a pistol packing matador, and I'm the bull to taunt. I'm adoring this contortionist who warped my inner thoughts, but I was easy pickings, she would listen, and boy, I love to talk. Mesmerizing eyes turn me into stone, and together I'm alone. And I don't even want you back, even though you're all I have. My Medusa, I could use her till I crumble and I crack. And you don't ever cross my mind, but I've been known to tell white lies. My Medusa, I could use her till I crumble and I crack. This concrete heart, this concrete heart. Oh no, I'm obsessed with where the edge is and how close that I can get. I've been sitting on a nervous horse with a rope around my neck. I can hear those footsteps closing in, this star's about to run, and I've hit this line 1,000 times. God, I hope this is the one. And I don't even want you back, even though you're all I have. My Medusa, I could use her till I crumble and I crack. And you don't ever cross my mind, but I've been known to tell white lies. My Medusa, I could use her till I crumble and I crack. This concrete heart, oh yeah, this concrete heart, oh no. Lipstick on a glass of wine, a cigarette that's half of mine. I smoke it till the ember burns my lips. And I know I've been broke before, but she's a pimple, needs a whore, and I've been known to sell my soul for less. And I don't even want you back, even though you're all I have. My Medusa, I could use her till I crumble and I crack. And you don't ever